active voice le passive voice te hi na zong lai ti chuan an thiam ngei tura ngai ani a exam na ron chok fo reng ani voice hi man follow lak lo tan chuan a har mel le maya nima sela cher ko pang main a formula man futu tan chuan a har lo reng reng ani kan theyanga chiang le fi in lu sei tong ngein in zirteang ama sabera kan hriat tur chu active le passive omze hi ani active chu mizo tong maya kan mel hriat to ania fb a active le ni kan ti chuan fb a khoina sa ti na ani koshan thalai pola active kan ti po in koshana ain mangna sa ti na ani le mai active kan ti reng reng hian mai mai tia ko ngai lo jf chuan phusa nung thatak ti in ada ani passive ti ve thung hi le passive hi active le ling che ni ti in shema support te ang passive ti hi jf avek hian cha chang lo tuar do thei ti ve lo ti in ada active omzia kan chetoa chumet ling hlo chu passive hi ani avoi sang zonga kan khoi chu ma kan hriat ma sak le tur chu hei hi ani sentence a hian subject verb le object te anom ti hi entina petaila Paula helps Mimi ti sentence a hian Paula hi atituber achang tu pa ber ania chu subject kan tita ani helps hi chu athilti ania verb ani le mai Mimi hi achang tu pan ava pui ber chu ania object kan ti chu lo ni le tamai ani voice kan ti hi he subject le object omna in thleng kwal vel mai hi ani voice a chuan lu chho tak tak ang Paula helps Mimi ti sentence hi eng voice nge ani hei hi active voice ani active voice ani na chan ber chu he sentence a achang tu pa ber kan ti subject ni bok Paula hian active takin Mimi apui tlat hi ani active voice a chuan subject hi da poimo ni in ama sabera a om thin ani kasai non leang active voice a chuan subject hi da ama sakber ani thin Paula helps Mimi ti hi passive voice a Mimi is helped by Paula ti ani mai enge formula active voice atanga passive voice le dan formula hi chithum om chung ti chu pakana chuan active voice a achang tu pa ber Paula khan tlarma saber achang phatalo passive voice a chuan atlar to bera passive takin awa thut le ngai tatlat mai athil pek dong tunu Mimin passive voice a chuan din mun poimo achang ta ani hi rule number 1 chu active voice a chuan subject in ma hroya verb alaya oma object atop no bera a om thung passive voice a ve thung chuan object in ma hroya verb chu alaya bok oma subject chu atop no bera a om thung ane passive voice a chuan thumal tharlak aron tel ve ta boka chu bai hi ane hei hi passive voice a chuan atel ve nge ngai to ane atop khar tu subject ma chia da ani thin a formula pathum na kan thei ngel ngai lo tur chu passive voice a chuan active voice hi present tense po ni se an verb te hi past tense a convert zel tho tur ane Paula helps Mimi ti hi present tense ania kan soi tak ang khan a verb helps ti hi passive voice kan le tak nui chuan past tense help aloni tak te hi present tense ani wangin was helped by Paul tilovin present tense angin is helped by Paul ti tautur ani thung enti na mangin kan soi zelang Jesus loves me titaila heta po hian ama kan tiang to khan I am loved by Jesus tile mai turani I was loved by Jesus tilo tur ane hetenga kan ti ni chuan mana chuan isuan min mangai thin tinani dei don ane was he past tense ani sia the peon opened the office ti vetung hile hey passive voice a chuan he sentence hi the office was opened by the peon ti tur ani zona omta chu invai nge is ni lova was kan pantak engdang wang ma ni lo he sentence hi past tense ani tlat wang ani en taila open to pa hian ed atel tlat hi passive voice a po a past tense angai ta vek ani schoolboys were helping the wounded man ti hi passive voice in enge ni thang le the wounded man was being held by the schoolboys ti la mai tur ani heta hian thil tharar pakhat kan muleta chu chu being hian were helping ti ani ang hian he sentence hi past continuous tense ania continuous tense ing ti belna reng reng chu passive voice a kan let ani chuan ava ma a che hian being kan tel zia thin tur ani heteng hian present continuous ho chu I'm taking chu I'm being taken is taking chu is being taken are taking chu are being taken past continuous chu was drinking chu was being drunk were eating chu were being eaten atop na entina pek mangho hian loin zirte le